In the previous lecture, we learned about CSS units. In this lecture, we're going to learn about width and height. The width and height properties are used along with either the display block or display inline block value, or on HTML block level elements. They also take CSS units as values. Okay, let's get to work now. I'm going to get rid of all of these. And I'm going to add a div. And I'm going to type, this is a div element with the width of 50% and a height of, let's say, 300 pixels. Okay, let's go to our CSS file, and I'm gonna add div, and I'm gonna add a width, and I'm gonna set this to 50%, and the height 300 pixels, and I'm gonna add a background color also. I'm gonna add yellow. Okay, now let's save it and check it out. Okay, it's not working. Let me see. Width. Okay. Just forgot the semicolon there again. Okay, you can see the div, it has the width of 50% here and the height of 300 pixels. Let's change it to, let's say, 80. Okay, you see the differences there? If we change it to 100, it's gonna take up all the space there. There it is. Okay, of course, we can also change the height if we want to. Okay, and we can also set this as percentage. Let's go to 50%. Okay, that's 50% height. And if we set it to 100%, then it's going to take the whole page. Okay, but let's just go a little more. Let's go to 200. Okay, now you're going to see the scroll bar showing up. Okay, there is a scroll bar, and we can scroll down, and that's 200%. Okay, you can also set the width to auto, but that's the default style from the browser. But there's some times where you're gonna need to do that. Okay, well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna learn about margin and padding.